Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. For this Christmas in July video, I am sharing the last 4 calendar images for the calendar that I will be sharing at the end of this month, actually within probably a few days of this video posting. So I will be creating the April calendar, and since that is Easter, I decided to pull out my May Made It stamp set. I'll be using that cross and then He is Risen stamp. And then this Sun Rays is from Vicki Boutin. It was a freebie from scrapbook.com when I had purchased something. So the size of this paper is 6 by 6. I actually need to cut it down to 5 by 5, but I decided to just leave 6 by 6 for right now so that I can trim off the edges. Usually when I do these cards or these calendar images, the edges don't really get the love and attention that it needs. So this time I decided to do 6 by 6 and I'll do a trim later. So after just putting the ink onto those stamps, I'm going to stamp it with my MISTI. And this is actually a pressure tool that my dad created for me when they first came out. I thought they were such a great idea, but I didn't want to spend any money. And so I asked my dad to make that for me. Okay, so that's the first calendar image. Now we're going to be doing the March calendar image. And this is a 4 stencil set from Simon Says Stamp. These are flowers. I thought it'd be really great to have flowers because that is the start of, March is the start of spring. And plus I don't have any 4-leaf clovers, so I thought this would work perfectly. So I'm just inking it up. I'm going super fast speed here because all I'm doing is stenciling through some stenciling. So that was my March. Here's my February, and this also is from Simon Says Stamp. This is a 2-piece stenciling set, but I only wanted to do the hearts, not the lips. And look at that, it looks so cool. I actually stopped ink blending because I moved my stencil. That came out pretty cute. And this is the last stencil. This is for January, and it's from Pretty Pink Posh. I love this one, and I never had a chance to use it, but I loved it as soon as I saw it, and I'm so happy I was able to take it out and use it for this project. I actually started off using the B stencil. I should have used, of course, the A first, but that's okay. So I'm just ink blending some ink through there, and it turned out super cute. Really like it a lot. And there you go, just putting on some gray ink for the handles, and then also blue ink for the little raindrops. So cute. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope that this has inspired you to create your calendar for next year, or maybe even for gifts for family and friends. Thanks. Until next time.